If you've ever wanted to find a specific post, a certain account's tweets, or old conversations on X much faster, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use advanced search on X, formerly Twitter, step by step, so you can filter results by words, account, date, and engagement. This is super useful whether you're researching, fact-checking, looking for your own old post, or trying to find content from a specific time period. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and social media guides just like this. Let's get into it. The fastest way to access advanced search on X is by using the direct link. First, open your browser and make sure you're logged into your X account. Then, open a new tab and type x.com/search-advanced into the address bar, or just paste the full advanced search link if you have it. Press enter and X should open the advanced search page for you. If you don't want to use the direct link, there's another way to get there through the normal search bar. Open X, then click into the search bar at the top of your feed. Type in any basic keyword and press enter. Once the search results load, look for the advanced search option. On some layouts, it may appear through filters or additional search tools. Click it and the advanced search panel will open. Now let's go through the real power of advanced search, the filters. First, look at the word section. This is where you can control exactly what kind of text appears in the results. If you want tweets that contain all of the words you type, use the All Words field. If you want one exact phrase, use the Exact Phrase field. If you want results that include any of several words, use the Any of these words field. And if you want to exclude something, put it in the Words to Exclude field. You can also search for hashtags here, which is great if you're tracking a topic or trend. Next is the Account section. This is very helpful when you want to narrow results to a specific user. You can search tweets sent from a certain account, tweets sent to a certain account, or tweets mentioning a particular account. Just remember, when you type the username, do not include the @ symbol. Simply type the account name itself and let X do the matching for you. After that, scroll down to the Dates section. This is where you can search within a specific time range. If you're trying to find posts from a certain event, a news cycle, or a past campaign, this part is extremely useful. Choose your start date and end date, and X will only return posts from that window of time. Then you have the engagement filters. These let you search for tweets that reached a certain level of activity. You can set a minimum number of replies, likes, or reposts. This is great if you want to find the most popular posts on a topic and remove lower quality results. For example, if you're looking for high-performing content, this filter can save you a lot of scrolling. Once you've filled out the fields you need, click the search button. X will update the results automatically based on the criteria you entered. At that point, you can refine your search even more by adjusting the words, accounts, dates, or engagement settings until you get exactly what you want. A quick tip: start with just 1 or 2 filters first, then add more if the results are still too broad. That makes it easier to understand which filter is giving you the best results. Also, if you're researching a topic, try combining an exact phrase with a date range and an account filter. That usually gives you much more accurate results. And that's it. You now know how to use advanced search on X the easy way. Whether you use the direct link or the search bar method, you can quickly find posts, people, and topics without endless scrolling. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.